friends, good morning. In this video, we will review about the potential use of the rapid antibody test in order to finish and or gradually reduce the lockdown in the world. So we had in the previous one of the previous videos we had talked that there are two tests right now available in order to diagnose the coronavirus. One is the real-time reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction test, wherein we see the RNA of the virus itself. Why we call it real time? It happens in the real time. Why we call it the reverse transcription? Because there is an enzyme which we use, which we call the reverse transcriptase. Now, transcription is the making of the RNA from the DNA, but in this case we will make a DNA from the RNA. That is why we call it the reverse transcription, not the transcription. So in the polymerase chain reaction, we amplify the amount of the DNA, which is our cDNA. We then will make a lot of copies of it. Then we will check its detection in the laboratory. So this is known as the PCR test, and it takes almost 2 days for the result to come back. The second test is the rapid antibody test. It doesn't detect the virus itself, but it detects the antibodies which our immune system makes against the virus. There are two types of the antibodies. One is the immunoglobulin M and one is the immunoglobulin G. Now the immunoglobulin M, it is produced by our immune system if it is very effective or it's functioning well. It makes these immunoglobulin M antibodies after 5 days of exposure to the virus, and immunoglobulin G antibodies, they are produced after at least 10 to 12 days after the exposure. Now the studies so far have shown that there are almost 40 to 50% of the people who are asymptomatic and they had developed the coronavirus infection or the COVID-19, but they just come out of it even without knowing it. All those patients who are symptomatic, almost 80% of them had developed only the mild problem, and they will also come out of the COVID-19 infection. Now when you do the rapid antibody test on all of these patients, then it doesn't take more than 15 minutes for the result to come back. You only need a drop of the blood. You are not going to do any irritating procedure like taking swab from the nasopharynx or the oropharynx. So when these persons, they become positive for the immunoglobulin G antibodies, then the studies carefully show that at least they may be immune to be reinfected or to give infection to others for at least 1 year to 1.5 years, from 12 months to 18 months. So by doing this rapid antibody test, we can make a force of the people. Every country can give certain cards to these patients for their identity. Now UK, Germany and USA, they are planning to give people the immunization card or immunity card. That will mean that all those people who hold these cards, they can do any kind of a job. They can go to they can go to the hospital if they are doctors, staff nurses and paramedics to fight the COVID-19 very effectively. The ambulance drivers, they can be made to go through these testings, and other government functionaries can also have this test, and once they develop the immunoglobulin G, up till so far, because this is a very fluid situation where the knowledge is ever evolving. So the knowledge which we have up till so far about the SARS-CoV-2, about the COVID-19, it tells us that all those people who are positive for immunoglobulin G antibodies against this virus, they will remain immune for 1 to 1.5 years. They will not be catching the infection and they will not be transmitting the infection. So if we can send some people or at least half of the population to the world, then economy regression can be reduced and ultimately stopped. So it looks a very potential way of coming out of the lockdown. Every government can subsidize these tests. These are not as costly as the PCR, because PCR is basically a research test. This is not something which you can do at your home. But while for the rapid antibody test, you don't need to go to the hospital. You can just make a finger prick, or a doctor can, or any staff nurse can make a finger prick. There is least chances of exposure to any health worker, and the result will be available within 15 minutes. So I think the world is working on it, but the people should know that if these tests are done at a mass level, ultimately these will help the people to come out of the lockdown very successfully. This strategy is being implemented in some parts of the world. For example, in Colorado, a whole town of the 8,000 resident has undergone this rapid antibody test, and they are making the groups of the people who are immune to the infection, and they will not neither spread the infection nor catch the infection. And also in the Germany, they have got a county which is the Heinsberg. It is located very near to the Netherlands. So there they are testing the people in a mass level, and they are making a group of the people who are vulnerable to develop infection and the group of the people who are immune. It not only helps to actually make group of those people who can be used as a worker, but it also gives some analysis about the case fatality rate, because in the beginning we used to think that this infection has got a high case fatality rate, but now after the rapid antibody test, now we know one thing for sure, that a lot of people had got infection, they never been symptomatic. So when this test detected them to have the immunoglobulin G antibodies, then the case fatality rate has dropped dramatically. For example, we used to think because PCR tested positive in 100 people and only 10 people they got the infection, so they died. So the case fatality rate was 10%. But now by using the rapid antibody test, we have the knowledge that if it is positive in like 1,000 people and 10 of them had died, then the case fatality rate had dramatically dropped to 1%. So this is another benefit of doing the mass level of the rapid antibody test. And it is done like the pregnancy test and the cardiac troponin test, which is done in a heart attack patients, and the result will be qualitative, and these will be available just within the 15 minutes. I hope it gives some idea and some ray of the hope, because people are quite scared that how long it's going to stay for the lockdown to be implemented in their lives. But it seems that lockdown is about to end. Now the humans are, the people have found a way out of it. So ultimately I think it will work. Thank you so much for watching the video.